Are you wearing too many hats to make your impact? If so, here's how to get clear and focused on harnessing your time and energy today. Hi, I'm Arrow Gonsalves. I've been empowering entrepreneurs to build profitable businesses by mastering their inner game through ancient Eastern practices since 2003. The reason multitasking doesn't work is because it makes your brain burn more calories than the survival domain of your brain will tolerate. Your brain actually heats up. It slows down and gets sluggish in a form of protection mode to cool, just like any engine that's overheating. It's a tricky thicket, which is why I call it Mad Hatter syndrome. There's any number of ways we can get ensnared by this trickster. The good news is there are also simple frameworks you can use to untangle yourself and your business to be magnificently productive. Using them, you'll have the upper hand to outwit this trickster every time. Developing simple frameworks will make the difference between building a business that fuels your creativity while providing the free and independent lifestyle you're in business for, or getting caught in a web of tasks that constricts your range of motion, exhausting your passion and your drive. So I've been self-employed since my teens. And since finding ancient Eastern high-performance practices in 2002, I've devoted myself to creating the most meaningful, impactful life I can. I love to reach for the stars and set high goals for myself that require transformation. I used to delight in flinging myself head-on into challenges with reckless abandon, making my own rules and doing everything my own way. In time, I learned, and through a lot of hard knocks, I learned my creative impulse needed to be harnessed with processes, that I needed to move with an economy of motion. It's a lifelong practice of dreaming big and building capacity. The thing is, it's only possible with a clear direction and defined boundaries. I call them my patterns of success. They provide the clarity and focus to keep myself and my students' productivity directed, simple, and impact measurable, opening space for the truly important aspects of life and business, making an impact, and enjoying entrepreneurial freedom. So let's take a look at the problem. If you identify yours, you can spot the thickets in advance and nimbly dodge the rabbit holes. Then I'll share the solution so you can get clear and focused on your freedom and impact today. So the problem is running your business with a job mindset. All entrepreneurs embark on a hero's journey. Unfortunately, while we want the freedom of a self-managing business and great lifestyle, most entrepreneurs approach their business like a job with a task-oriented mindset, or you could say an employee mentality of trading time for money, where an entrepreneur needs to be much larger scope of trading value for money. So it's a completely different approach. So this is usually because their brain is hardwired to work harder instead of smarter. Plus, completing a series of tasks is alluring because it creates the illusion of productivity by giving you a sense of control. So just know it's because of this task-oriented mindset, most businesses fail. The business owner never quite manages to harness the time and energy to care for their health, focus on their priorities, and build the relationships that will rocket fuel growth. So at first, launching a business usually means earning less and working longer hours than you ever did working for a wage. Even so, you can't afford years to pass without transforming your job mindset. So if this describes you, you probably feel like you just bought yourself an expensive job. And this is the opposite of freedom. Applying a job mindset to your business will gradually erode your confidence and wear you down, along with your health, relationships, hopes, and dreams. So it's critical to develop systems instead of tasks through each stage of business growth. Systems are your path to freedom. You need to get clear and focused. Keep things simple and harness your time and energy to use them well. Puttering with endless little tasks will devastate your business and quality of life. So you need to get strategic. 1, turn your mind within to get centered and self-connected through meditation. If you find static forms of seated meditation frustrating, no worries. You can start with guided visualizations or dynamic energy meditations. And you need to get clear about what you want in life and from your business. Then when you have a clear destination, it's time to get strategic. Develop your timelines and markers and reverse engineer them into achievable steps and stages of growth and capacity building. And then third, you want a streamlined productivity planning system, something proven to simplify your role and your work week as your business grows. So are you ready to liberate yourself from the endless tangle of tasks and uncompleted projects that are preventing you from making your impact? If yes, download my free guide, 7 Freedoms, Map Your Pattern of Success. Either click the link below if you're watching this on my website or YouTube, or comment yes on social media, and I'll give you the link.